Welcome to the Phonics class. In the last video, we have learned two letter blends with the short vowel A. Now, we are going to learn two letter blends with the short vowel E. Shall we start reading? Yes, here we go. A, B, eb, a, b, eb, a, d, ed, a, d, ed, a, g, egg, a, g, egg, a, n, a, n, a, t, et, a, t, et. Kids, now let's see a quick review. Eb, ed, egg, n, et. Kids, practice these sounds every day. It's more helpful to read. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you.